5 seconds. Referring to the judgment of the Honorable Division Bench judgments of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Rajan Sharma versus the Bar Council of India and another CWP number 20966 of 2010 dated 2010-2011 and Ankit Bharadwaj versus Bar Council of India WP number 12528 of 2011 dated 2010-2011. Learned Advocate General submitted that when the petitioners therein shout for a prayer to strike down clause 28 of the Rules of Legal Education 2008, the Honorable Division Bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court considered the validity of the rules with reference to the provisions of the Advocate Act 1961 and taking note of the decision of the Honorable Apex Court in India Council of Legal Aid and Advice and Others versus Bar Council of India and another reported in 1995 1 SSC 732 held that the Bar Council of India is not armed with any power to incorporate a provision in the rules like clause 28 concerning the age on admission to law degree course. He further submitted that in Ankita Bharadwaj versus Bar Council of India WP number 12528 of 2011 dated 2010-2011, the Punjab and Haryana High Court struck down the above said rule. Similar orders were passed by the Honorable Division Bench of Punjab and Haryana High Court in Nitin Gupta versus Bar Council of India 5258 2010, Rajan Sharma versus Bar Council of India 2966 2010, Janka Raj versus Bar Council of India 12097 2009 and Limited COL rated Harinder Singh versus State of Punjab and Haryana 11 1947 2009. Challenge to the rule was also made in state of Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Kolkata, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Punjab and Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Odisha, Jammu and Kashmir, and more than 200 writ petitions have been filed and interim orders of stay of operation of Rule 28 was obtained. In furtherance of stay, several students have joined the law courses and completed the same. They have also appeared for All India Bar Examination and got the certificate of practice. Learned Counsel for the Bar Council of India further submitted that when rule itself has been struck down by the Punjab and Haryana High Court and the procedure for making amendment does not arise. According to him, even before it was discussed by the General Council, the rule was struck down by the Punjab and Haryana High Court. He further submitted that Bar Council of India has no intention to circumvent the orders passed by this court in M. Santosh Antony Varid versus Registrar Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University reported in 2009 MLJ 1677. Decision to withdraw Clause 28 of the Legal Education Rules was taken considering the fact that the rule was struck down by the Punjab and Haryana High Court and that the Honorable Supreme Court also did not grant any interim order in the petition filed challenging the same. According to him, even before the report was submitted, the rule itself was struck off from the statute book. Reason assigned in the counter affidavit to the present writ petition is that there were various interim orders suspending the operation of clause 28 by the High Court and in Ankit Bharadwaj versus Bar Council of India WP number 12528 of 2011 dated 2010-2011. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has held that clause 28 of Schedule 3rd appended to rules as beyond the legislative competence of the Bar Council of India and that there were other decisions from the Punjab and Haryana High Court and other courts also.